To stake CRO on Crypto.com. You need to have a Crypto.com account and a sufficient amount of CRO in your wallet. Start by logging into your Crypto.com account and navigating to the Crypto Earn section. This is where you can stake your CRO and earn interest on your holdings. Next, click on the Stake CRO option and review the terms and conditions. It is essential to understand the staking period, interest rates, and any penalties for early withdrawal. The staking period can range from 1 month to 3 years, with varying interest rates for each period. After reviewing the terms, select the staking period that suits your needs and click on the Stake Now button. You will then be prompted to confirm the transaction, and once confirmed, your CRO will be locked for the chosen staking period. It is crucial to note that staking CRO requires a minimum amount, and the interest rates may vary depending on the staking period and the amount staked. The interest is paid out in CRO, and it is automatically added to your staked amount at the end of the staking period. To maximize your earnings, it is recommended to stake a larger amount of CRO for a longer period. However, it is essential to consider your financial goals and risk tolerance before staking your CRO. Additionally, keep in mind that staking CRO is subject to market volatility, and the value of your CRO may fluctuate during the staking period. In conclusion, staking CRO on Crypto.com is a straightforward process that requires a Crypto.com account, a sufficient amount of CRO, and a basic understanding of the staking terms and conditions. By following these steps and considering your financial goals and risk tolerance, you can earn interest on your CRO holdings and maximize your returns.